Hello everyone, my name is Preeti Gupta and today we'll discuss our another series, another tutorials and another topic also. So let us start. I'm sharing my screen. Wait for a minute. Okay. So today motivation is believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. We can achieve each and everything. If you, yes if you believe in yourself, you can achieve everything. So it's a wonderful quotes and wonderful lines also and wonderful statement also. Please keep it in mind, okay? And move to the point. So today topic is there is a hug difference between array and array list. So what is array and what is array list? Let's discuss something about. Then we can discuss about their different, their key difference between both of them. So see, to array. What is array? Array is a data structure has been around for a very long time. Array is a data structure has been around very long times. It is one of the most common data structure used in store data. The ease of which array can implement one of the most primary reason for its widespread adoptions. Okay. This make much easier for newcomers to comprehend the data structures. Okay, this make it much easier for newcomers to comprehend the data structures. And ArrayList, ArrayList is also one of the additional provisions that can be found in Java collection framework. Okay, ArrayList is a what? ArrayList is the collections of data structures and they are found in Java collections framework. Okay. In the articles, we will examine all the similarity difference between array. We will discuss in next slide. There the difference between array and array list. Okay. So see. Okay. So what is array? Array is a straightforward data structure with continuous element locations and store content with the same distinct index. For each index, it contains continuous element. Means their size will be fixed. Their size cannot be changed. This is called a array. Okay. Let's see if you define some size is 5. If you try to change your size, element of the size of array, we can't allow. They can't allow. Their other size, what their array size will be fixed. We cannot change their size also. So this is called a array. Let's see discuss some example. Syntax is Syntax is what? Data types means any data types were mentioned. Then data types and their array names. Any array names means their variables names, array names, and you can use a new keyword and data types. And inside a square bracket, we can given some size like their size will be 5. If you mention their size given some size is 5, then we can their size will be in like increase your size will modify. We can't allow. Let's say our data types is int, our array name is test array, okay, equal to new int inside a square bracket our size is 6 means 100. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is a syntax and example of array. Okay. So what is array? Simple, we can define as a array is a straightforward data structure with continuous element, means continuous locations of element. it can store in the content with same distinct index for each element. If you are stored in 5 in 0 index, then we can't change to the 4 index. Okay, their size will be a fix. So this is called a syntax. This is called a array, and they're given some syntax and examples also. Okay, let's move to the another slide. So what is array list? Okay. So array list is same as array list is not same as a strongly typed collection, which is one of the differ from the which is one of the way different from the array. It is resizable array. Array is what? Array is not a resizable, means it cannot be changed their size. But in array list, we can change their size also. And the resizable data can be found in java.util package. I already discussed some package. If you don't know what is package, I I upload my package video also. Please watch out. Okay. So, this is resizable array that can be found in the java.util package tab that either similar to the one another or from the another. Means that either similar to the one another or distinct from the another. Okay. It is possible to increase both the overall size. Means we can change your size also, we can decrease your size, increase your cell. What if we can modify your elements also, we can add some extra elements also. So this is called a array list. Means allow everything resizable. Okay. In quality, it's called dynamically ordered to captures value organizing and the types data. I already said we can. This is called a dynamically qualities, and array list provide list of value that is incompleted in a straightforward will. Find the array list implement the I list interface, which is compatible with our using it because it is compatible with array. It allows to modify, add, delete, whatever we can do, get, we can use in array list. Okay, this is the syntax of array list. Array list, their object name, and we can use in array new keyword and array list, and we can call what constructor, array list constructor. Okay, so this is our discussion about array list and their syntax. Okay, hope so you understood the things. Let's move to the another slide. So I see that this is the example of array list, and their array list name. Okay, and you can using new keyword and call the constructor of array list. You can call a constructor also, and you can just define array list. Okay. Then we can add some value like add using add method some 300 null. The comparison between array and array list. Let's discuss between comparison of array and array list. So following table highlight major difference between array and array list. We can discuss it in slide. Okay. Hope so you understood this part in what is array, what is array list, and what is the key point of array list. And let's move to the what is the main difference, major difference between array and array list. Let's move on. Oh, just a minute. So there is a major difference between array and array list. Okay. So see, definition. Array means I already discussed about array means it is a state data forward data structures with continuous memory locations. Array and array store content with same name. Array store content with same name, but distinct index of each element of the array it contains. Okay, it is imperative that all the data store the array of the same type. After an array has been declared, its size cannot be changed. Okay, But wait, I don't know what is happening on PPT. Okay. But in ArrayList, Java ArrayList is a Java collection framework contain data structures known as ArrayList, which is dynamically in nature. But which is array is what? Static is in nature. Because static is why? Because their size cannot be changed. That's why they are statically in nature. But in ArrayList, we can change their size also. We can change, add, modify, set. Okay, we can allow in array list. That's why we is called a dynamically in nature. Additionally, it has component that same tabs. This case is necessary for us to specify the length of the list. It is not necessary for us to specify the length of the list also. So array has a static, second difference, and array list is a dynamic. Okay. Initialization, when performing initialization from the array, it required to specify the size of the element. And okay, when in array, when you initialize some array, we can specify their size. But in array list, it is not a necessary to required to specify their size of the array. Okay. Performance. Array are faster and array list is a slow. Why slower? Because we can modify, reduce their element also. We can add their element also. So uh, then this time size can't be size cannot be fixed, right? So their size can't be resizable. So this is that's why array list is data flow and rather than array. Generic tab means array can store primitive data types as well as objects also. But it cannot store generics. But it cannot store generics. But ArrayList is able to store generics as well as objects. But it cannot data of primitive data types. In ArrayList, it's allow to store generics object, but it cannot store data. It's primitive data types. Okay, and iteration means only loop are primitive in this area. Okay, but in it is acceptable to use loop and iteration also. And type safety, it is not a type safe, but ArrayList has a type safe. Okay. Then type length. Make use of length object, but array list make use of size functions. Okay. Adding element we can additionally add with the assignment operator in array. We can if you add some element we can use in assignment operator, but in array list we can use in add method. Okay, there is a hug difference between array and array list. Hope so you understood the things. What is the major difference between array and list? Array list. It's a very important interview questions. So please keep it in mind on these key points and move to the another slide. Oh, just a minute. Yeah. Conclusion is what? Conclusion that array are low level data structure in my point in and may lead some people implementing array in programming can produce result more quickly than the dynamic of array list. However, speed may differ depending upon the operations at being a programming also. In the term of functionality, ArrayList has little advantage over an array due to the size of the ArrayList can be dynamically raised or decreased. But in array, their size will be same. Despite the fact that they are different, but they are nevertheless comparable in this data structure in Java are index based. Let you store object this data such as permute null value and duplicators. If you know the size of the time we should use in array, however, if you not ensured about their size, then we can use in array list. Okay, this is the based on the conclusions, and hope so you understood all the point, right? So thank you so much for watch our videos, and keep calm, keep learning. If you have any doubt, please comment on my box. I will try to resolve your queries also. Thank you so much. Take care and keep learning. Bye. Have a great day.